my name is Derek May, owner and president of 360 Digital Media, located here in Greenville, South Carolina. We're a wholesale digital print provider. We provide print to the trade, grand format, all the way down to small. We do die sub, vehicle graphics, banners, you name it.
Derek, why did you purchase the COLEX Sharp Cut?
It was basically my working relationship with Werner at COLEX. I already have one piece of equipment of his. So a long-time user of his equipment and just his great staff. It was just a good opportunity to get into a flatbed cutter.
What were the important issues 360 Digital Media considered before purchasing the COLEX Sharp Cut?
Again, the COLEX Sharp Cut is, for the bang for your buck, for the price, all the options you get with the machine. It allowed, they just started the 5x10 platform, gave me the ability to cut my 5x10 prints coming off of my printer.
Were there benefits gained by placing the COLEX Sharp Cut in your facility?
Yes, it definitely gave us, in-house capability to do all of our cutting in-house. Previously, we'd been outsourcing our cutting, which we didn't have great control of our QC, and we'd have to end up reprinting stuff that got cut wrong out of house. So having the ability to do stuff all in-house definitely gave us a step above the rest. So.
Was it difficult for your staff to learn the COLEX Sharp Cut system?
The learning curve, is kind of standard with most equipment. It was fairly easy. It's the software's, it's iCut 7 software. It's really easy to use. I guess the harder learning curve was just, learning what bits to use for what material. You have a guide to tell you, but then also, just different feed rates and, just learning the ins and outs of certain material and how it cuts.
Does the COLEX Sharp Cut keep up with your volume of work?
Yes, at the current time, the Sharp Cut, like I said, it really cuts as fast as any other piece of equipment out there, because really you're limited to the actual material you're cutting. That's how fast you can cut it. So really, even if you go with a high-end model like a Kongsberg, it can't cut gator board any faster than that machine does. So I don't see us maxing out the capability of the machine anytime soon. So.
Derek, would you recommend the COLEX Sharp Cut to others? Yes,
I definitely think this is a great machine. We've had it for over a year now. No, like I said, any hiccups we've had, they've been very responsive to, get me on the, get on the phone or even come down here and fix anything you have wrong. But it's been a great machine, runs great. So I'd recommend it to anybody.
Do you have any interesting stories about COLEX?
No real funny stories. I just think they're a good bunch of guys to work with. Vlad, he, very helpful. I have a HP turbojet, and he actually was helping me fashion up a device for the machine, he was, I guess he got a little bored, in just training, so he'd come over and kind of look around and see what other piece of equipment, and put his 2 cents in, and he's got a lot of experience just seeing other shops what they're doing, so he's able to help me fashion a jig for that machine basically. So it worked out pretty neat. So.